Welcome to this special episode of Frequency Matters. I'm Pat Hindle, and I'm talking with Stan Oda, Product Marketing Manager for Test and Measurement Solutions at Mini Circuits. Welcome, Stan.
Thanks for having me, Pat.
So you've been in the test and measurement industry for many years, so I thought it'd be great if we kind of reviewed some of the current trends and what Mini Circuits is doing to approach this market. And since you're certainly not new to the industry, but relatively new at Mini Circuits, maybe you can start off by telling us about your background and what you're doing in your new role.
Sure. I joined Mini Circuits earlier this year after working in product management at another major T&M vendor for several years. I've been involved in RF and test and measurement for pretty much my entire career, with roles from applications to product marketing in RF semiconductor ATE, as well as RF and microwave benchtop instrumentation. I'm really excited to be part of the Mini Circuits team as I see great growth potential in the T&M marketplace with our diverse product portfolio.
So from what you're seeing, what are some of the applications and customer needs driving the direction of the market for RF test and measurement products right now?
Well, first of all, higher frequency is a pretty universal requirement, driving requirements into the millimeter range. Applications like 5G, FR2, WiGig, automotive radar, microwave backhaul, as well as other applications, are all driving millimeter wave requirements in testing. Another trend is long-standing, it's been universal for a long time, is test efficiency. Competition is driving faster product development as well as lower list prices, and that's all putting pressure on product margins. This in turn requires that we minimize test costs while still ensuring the speed and the quality of test. And Mini Circuits is a trusted brand name that has a wide range of test applications and solutions that can help our customers be test efficient. A good example of that is our recent introduction of a couple new power sensors, an 8 gigahertz and a 40 gigahertz peak and average power sensor that have the ability to do measurements on modulated and pulse signals with very good dynamic range and measurement bandwidth at a very cost-effective price. A third trend is a lot of engineers are starting to work remotely, and this is increasing the need for test equipment that can be used at the home. It's not cost-effective, nor is it practical to provide these large, heavy, expensive benchtop instruments to all remote engineers. So this is really increasing the need for high-quality test products that are both portable as well as economic enough to outfit the home bench. Our EVNA-63 Plus is a good example of a compact and affordable test instrument with the S parameter and dynamic range performance needed to test a wide variety of devices. The EVNA is a 2-port, 6 gigahertz USB VNA that includes both time domain and integrated bias Ts as standard features that is economical enough for companies to provide to their engineers for home and remote use.
And Mini Circuits has been growing its test solutions product line for a number of years now. How do you think Mini Circuits lineup has evolved over the past few years?
Well, one of the main evolutionary changes is the increasing frequency across the portfolio. Our USB programmable switches and attenuators to our lineup of signal generators, our frequency coverage continues to grow over time. Recently, we added a new switch and attenuator products that increase our frequency coverage for the portfolio to 67 gigahertz, which enables us to better address signal routing requirements in applications like satellite communications, radar, cellular, and test and measurement systems. We've also increased the frequency of our SIGNA lineup by adding a 30 gigahertz solution, the SSG-30G-RC, to cover wideband LO source applications, as well as K and KU band radar and selected FR2 band testing. Mini Circuits also offers rack mount and benchtop test systems that come in both standard and custom configurations. From switching and attenuation systems to mesh networks and high-powered test systems, we continually evolve our portfolio to meet our ever-changing customer needs.
And so there are a number of well-known suppliers offering related products in the test and measurement space. What makes Mini Circuits different?
Because of our broad portfolio of RF components and accessories, we can sell you pretty much everything you need for your average test setup. We're a one-stop shop for your lab bench. That's a pretty unique position in the marketplace, as most of the traditional T&M vendors don't have a 10,000 part catalog of RF components and accessories like we do at Mini Circuits. And the typical RF component supplier doesn't offer the broad portfolio of RF test instruments and systems like we do. So we have both. We also cater to both small and large customers. So it doesn't matter whether you're outfitting a single lab or several dozen. We can supply and deliver the quantity of components and instruments that you need. And because we have the stock on hand, for most of our catalog, we can do so in a very quick and keep the minimum lead time to supply your lab. In addition to our standard offerings, we also customize solutions that many of the vendors cannot or are not equipped to offer. Because of our wide selection of the components and instruments, we can deliver and customize systems faster and more affordably than most of our competition. We also leverage the fact that we keep most of our wide portfolio of products in stock to deliver fast, flexible, and customized solutions tailored to support our customers' unique needs. That level of customer service is something that I really think sets Mini Circuits apart in the marketplace.
Well, thanks, Stan. Mini Circuits has long been known for a wide portfolio of all products and great prices and fast delivery, so this is no exception. So thanks for talking with me today about the test and measurement market and how Mini Circuits is approaching it. To our audience, thanks for watching today, and join us for future episodes at videos.microwavejournal.com.